The VEVOR Hydraulic Tube Expander is a versatile tool that accommodates pipes with diameters ranging from 3/8 inch to 1 1/8 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of materials including aluminum, brass, and soft steel. This tool is designed for ease of use, featuring a hydraulic mechanism that allows for quick expansion of tubes, along with a deburring tool to prevent sharp edges and ensure safe connections. The all-in-one kit includes everything needed for various pipe connections, such as a hydraulic tube expander, a deburring tool, a pipe cutter, and 7 expansion heads, all conveniently stored in a durable case. Users will appreciate the ergonomic handle that offers comfortable control and operation, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring that the metal's structural integrity is maintained even after expansion. Constructed with high-quality materials, the VEVOR Tube Expander is built to withstand the pressures of pipe systems and harsh operating environments, with an aluminum alloy pipe cutter that resists wear and rust. Overall, this tool provides a reliable solution for those requiring precise pipe cutting and expansion, promising long-lasting durability and efficient performance.